Hey G Squad, welcome back to another episode of Is It Worth It? So for today's episode, I got these two products that I kind of want to do a comparison and kind of give you a feedback of how it's been using both of these products. So pretty much what it is right here in my hand, if you guys can see. This one is the Airpods by Apple, and on my other hand right here, we have the Ticpod Free that is by Movi. So both of these products are really nice. This one in particular costs around $160. This one costs around $80. So this one is actually half the price of this one. So which one is better and which one is more worth it? So I was able to actually fully test both of these products on a regular basis of using it at work, using it on a run, like a really intense workout and whatnot. And I have to say that both of them are actually really good for its own purpose so both of them are actually really good, but for different reasons. So I'm gonna start with the AirPods first. So when I use the AirPods, very nice, very fast charge, and very convenient. So it's very small and convenient to have because you guys can actually bring on the go, stick it in, charge it, and you guys can use it again. So for the AirPods itself, they say that you can actually use it for up to 1 day, which is 24 hours or around that range, which is a really long time because I don't know what you guys actually need to listen for 24 hours, but I'm pretty sure some people do. So the AirPod is actually really nice. The audio and bass is really nice. The comfort is really good. This one in particular, I have to say that it's actually better when it comes to the comfort and better when it comes to like the stability of having it in your ear. So what I mean by stability is that when you actually put it on your ear, going for a run, going for casually walking, whatever, this one will actually stay in your ear much more better than the actual Ticpod itself, which I'll talk a little bit more in a second. But one thing that this one does not have or is not as good as the Ticpod Free is the fact that this one has noise isolation and noise cancellation on this product. I have to say that that's one of the main key factors when it comes to buying products because of the fact that having a product that has noise cancellation is really helpful for me in particular because when I'm in office, sometimes I don't want to hear so much of the surroundings. So having that noise cancellation cancels out a lot of noise and makes it a lot easier for me to actually focus. Charging wise, charge really fast. It doesn't really charge that long. It really charges really fast. Synchronization for the Bluetooth is really fast as well. So once you sync it with your phone, it will recognize it really fast. So I'll actually show you guys a sample right now of how fast it can be. So for example, my phone right here, watch what happens once I open it. So you guys can see, once I opened it, it popped up. So that's for the AirPods. Now to talk about the Ticpod Free. So after using this for quite some time now, the design is really nice. It looks exactly like the AirPods in a way. This one in particular has much more functionality and capability for this product. When you actually put it on your ear, it feels really nice, but when it comes to comfort and the stability of the product, I would have to say that this one is not as good as the AirPod. The comfort is pretty nice, but the AirPods are more comfortable. The stability when you actually keep it on your ear is not as good as the AirPod as well. So when you actually go for like a really intense run, so I've been running for quite some time now using this Ticpod Free, and I noticed that every time when I actually run really hard, or actually jumping up and down really hard when I'm actually running, that force that's pushing my ear up and down or making it looser because the fact that the material that is being used for this kind of earbuds right here. So this is the reason why a lot of companies nowadays have problems keeping this in your ear because of this cool functionality to cancel noise. It's ruining it for everyone when it comes to the comfort and the stability of the actual product to avoid it from falling off. I have to say that the audio on the AirPod is still a little bit better than the one on the actual Ticpod Free because it's much more clear and louder. So when I turn this on max, it's the same level as this one with 2 bars left to turn on max. Charging wise is really nice. This one does not play for 24 hours. This one plays for 18 hours. So if 18 hours is enough for you guys, then definitely go get this product. But if you guys want 24 hours and the comfort, then definitely go for this one. The one main cool functionality about this product that stands out compared to the AirPod is the fact that you guys can actually control the settings for like the volume and everything on the actual earbud itself. So the volume controls, the pause, play, call button, Siri, all of that could be on here. This one you cannot do any of those except for using Siri. So the synchronization for the Ticpod Free is really nice as well. So the moment you open the case itself, that's when the Bluetooth synchronization works, which is really nice when it comes to having these Bluetooth devices because you want it to sync fast. One of the main things that is bad about this product is the fact that it actually lags. So when you watch a video or something, it lags really bad. But if you guys listen to like audio or something, then those will be fine. But if you guys use the AirPods, that does not have the same issue that this one has. So pretty much after talking about all the specs and comparison of both products, which one is more worth it and which one is better. So it's really hard to choose which one is better and which one is more worth it, because both of them are good in its own perspective. This one is good when it comes to the audio and the comfort and the stability of the product and the synchronization when it comes to watching videos. This one is not good for any of those that I just mentioned, but it's good because of the fact that the audio is clear, the bass is clear, the fact that it actually syncs up the moment you open it up to your phone or device is really nice as well. So the one main thing that stands out for the Ticpods 3 is the fact that you guys can actually control the volume setting. You can play and pause on the actual earbuds itself. So you pretty much control everything on here on the actual earbuds itself. Compared to the AirPods, you guys can't do that. You guys can only do Siri control on the actual AirPod itself, which you guys can also do on here. When it comes down to the question of which one is more worth it, it really comes down to what you guys are looking for, based off what I just told you guys. I really like using the AirPods when it comes to running because of the fact that it actually feels really comfortable and it actually stays in your ear and won't fall off. Ticpods 3, it does tend to fall off a little bit, so that really sucks. But the fact that it has the controls to actually control the volume, controls the play button, and also the forward and backward button on here is really nice and convenient. So other than that, that's pretty much it for the little update video and comparison of both of these products to let you guys know how it's been using it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys did, then make sure to subscribe, like, and comment down below. And as always, make sure to stay positive, be you, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of Is It Worth It? Peace. And then for today's G Squad fan shout out day, we have